Here's part one video. This is not totally done. This is a little mini kind of weeping rock wall that I started using a little 7-quart oil pan from the auto store. I think that was a couple bucks. I think I got all the rock, which I actually have more rock, for $5 at a local rock and mulch place. Threw some of the moss in there. So today I'm going to build a stand so it actually sits up higher. We're going to do a level across here to hide the pump, and I'll get all the cords and everything set, and I'll do some, you know, gravel or something down in the water here. I'm not planning on putting any fish or anything in here. It's just literally a water feature, and then I'm going to run rock around the edge and then do some sort of soil and plants kind of in an area, so it's, I don't know, we'll see. Part one, we're just testing stuff. Wanted to show you guys. Take care. Alright, so here's part three, or part two actually. So I put a piece of wood here to kind of cover up the basin with the water here. Did some sedum up in front here. I had a couple different ones that I pulled from, so, and if I leave this out all year, this actually should do pretty good out here. This is very cold hardy, and I've got some moss that I did from the yard. That's just some packaged moss, but I had some other mosses that I put live up here, and built a little kind of a table stand to get it up just a little bit. I figure the weight of this now is a little heavy. I don't want it up too high if it gets knocked over, so I got a little bit more patchwork to do with some of the rock just to fill it in where some of the foam was, so you don't see that, and a couple places to touch up the wood. But what I think I'll do is just maybe get a couple potted ferns for now and just put them on the side to kind of dress up the side area so you're not seeing that. But I don't mind the look of this wood. It's kind of country, and that's where we're at. So